Good morning, all.
Good morning, sir.
See, I posted one question in the group, man. Just check it.
Yes, sir.
Just note down that.
Yes, sir. Noting, sir. Noting, sir.
Note it down.
Sir, 1 minute, sir, please.
Completed one.
Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
See, this is a small sphere. This is one big sphere. The distance between them is some 10 a.
NA. Yes.
Now we can see that from here it is being projected. Now it has to reach the surface of this planet, smaller planet. The radius of this is A. This is bigger planet, radius 2a,
Wait.
mass is 16 m. Okay. Now when you are throwing, see, as it goes on, the particle is subjected to force of attraction by both. No?
Yes, sir. Both.
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this
sir.
is a force due to the smaller one. So I'll call it as 1, 2. This is some 3. You can see that while the particle is midway between these two, both of this planet pulls it.
एक
Force
एक
on 3 due to 1. This planet pulls it.
force on
Do you
3 due
agree with
to
it?
yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Now you can see if it reaches at some point, okay,
Yes, sir. Some point.
suppose during the motion of small m. From where?
From
Larger planet
to smaller planet.
to smaller planet.
smaller planet. So what is point 3 is called? There's one name for this. Neutral point. Okay, neutral point means there is no intensity is 0. Okay, that means I at 3 is 0. Okay. Now why we need this point is when it reaches here, this is being pulled here. Once it crosses, what will happen? This will dominate now. Now both are equal. Means as it comes on here, this is also pulling. At some stage it reaches. The net intensity is 0. Now below this, which will dominate?
One.
Smaller one. Above this, that will dominate. That means if it reaches here, after that automatically due to attraction it will reach here, no?
Yes, sir.
You're able to understand the idea behind this. You need
Yes,
not
sir.
give energy so that this will come and reach till here. Somewhere if it comes over here, automatically it will take it. Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Understood.
Clear?
Clear, sir.
For example, this is one place. Say this is B. This is A. There is only a single line for the train to go. So different places, how railways connect like this. I want all people to come over here. He will provide trains till A. This is the junction point. From A, automatically there is a journey to this. So it will be taken care. Agreed on that? So,
Yes, sir.
understood this idea? So here, if particle reaches point 3, if we provide
Point 3 value. Due to gravity of 1. M reaches planet 1.
understood the idea behind this.
Understood.
Now let us.
Yes, sir.
So at 3 it is 0 now.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
So here this is gm by x square g16m by. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. I believe so.
Agreed.
Yes, sir.
So there are two values now. 4x plus x equals 10a. A equals how much? 2a. X is equal to minus 10a minus x by 4. 4x equals minus 10a plus x. 3x equals minus 10a. This is not possible, no?
No, sir.
This is not possible.
Negative. Not possible.
So x should be this side, no? So
Yes, sir.
till here you followed.
Followed.
Sir,
Till me.
we have to take
Hmm.
x minus a now, sir, because
X.
we only need to reach the planet's surface. Sir.
Yes, man. See, intensity. How do you calculate for a sphere? Outside the sphere, what is the point you will take?
But outside is clear.
Hmm.
Here we are, sir.
See, this is the sphere, no? Solid sphere.
Yes,
This
sir.
is R, no? What is the intensity here?
Pm by r, sir.
N by R square.
Same thing I took it.
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
1 minute, sir. Completed.
Completed, sir.
Finished?
Yes, sir.
That means, what is the energy at the surface of a point? This is S now.
Yes, sir.
So, at S, what is the energy
Half m.
you're throwing with this?
Yes, sir.
Plus m into V on the surface of this.
Yes, sir.
Remember what is V on the surface?
GM by R, sir. R. GM by R
2A,
square.
no?
Yes, sir. Yeah. Okay.
Remember that or not?
Yes, sir. GM by R. Remember.
Boys, remember or not?
Remember, sir. Remember.
Now, at point 3, what is the energy? It need not have, just it comes to rest, that's enough, no?
Yes, sir. Comes to this. MV3
This is
minus GM by R square. Potentials. Potential 10A minus X.
do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
V1 equal to
Now, which is more? So now it is enough that if reaches this energy here is just greater than that, that is sufficient, no?
Yes, sir.
Or
Sir,
Sufficient.
greater than that.
Yes, sir. Greater than also sufficient, sir.
Any doubt is there?
Yes, sir.
See here, understand the idea behind every problem you are doing, understand the logic, how it is going on, not the problem.
Yes, sir.
Substitute that and see, you can do it now, you can get V now. What shall I do?
sir, V
And
equal
this
to 3 by 2 root over 5 gm by A.
correct. V greater than got this?
Hmm. So,
Yes, sir.
doing so.
Got this, all of you?
Yes, sir. Got, sir.
Sir, this question is there in assignments also.
Pardon? Hello?
Yes, sir.
No, somebody is asking some doubt.
No, sir, nothing.
All are worried about IP exam, huh?
No, sir.
Jassim is an inspiration for that. Without completion of syllabus, he wrote board. What did Jassim?
Yes, sir. Uh, Completion of syllabus means they just simply took everything.
Hmm.
Then I wrote board, sir. Most portions were deleted, sir. That's it.
The boards always tries to encourage passing, man.
Yes,
Because
sir.
boards will not give you any job, no. Boards is only a certificate that you pass. They won't give any job. That's why they'll pass you. Whereas these entrance examinations give you jobs, no. That's why they think so much.
Yes, sir.
All of you got this, man.
Got,
Yes, sir.
got. Yes.
If you're worried, you tell I'll stop the classes and proceed with IP. That I'll deputy another IP teacher. Hmm.
Yes, sir.
You want the remaining part, IP teacher, I'll depute man. He'll finish in 1 week the whole thing.
No, sir, no, sir.
No, sir. No need, sir.
Be active in classes. Say, I posted another one.
Yes, sir. Got the question, sir. Sir, you are muted, sir.
So you're muted, sir.
Shall we start the discussion about that?
Yes, sir. Probably. So, one doubt, sir.
Tell.
Sir, related to rotational mechanics, sir.
Tell.
Sir, I saw one question. Can a body have both pure translation and pure rotation at same time? What is the answer, sir?
Pure?
Pure translation as well as pure rolling at the same time.
What is pure translation, man?
Yes, sir. That's what I am also not understanding. So I saw that question.
It will like say yes only, no answer should be.
So
This
why,
is no,
sir?
no. No, man. It is having translation, man, half m VCM square.
Yes, sir. Can
And
have.
no, no, if it is for having that point of contact equal to zero velocity, then it is having pure rotation also, no?
Yes, sir.
That means it is having both pure translation, pure rotation, no?
Yes, sir.
And then what is
Have.
that? I don't. What is that question? I don't understood now. What is the answer? He says.
Sir, it doesn't have answer, sir. It is objective question, sir. In HC1. HC1, sir, I know that.
Is there no question? Answers will be there when objective one, objective
I will check, sir. I didn't check about the answer. I will check once, sir.
two. I'll check it. No, no, it has both, not translation. Without pure translation, where from will have rotation? I mean, see, remember that what is the rotation we are taking? This is VCM. Because of this only, you are having this now,
Yes, sir.
and this is rotating R omega. So this point and this point,
Zero velocity.
VCM minus R omega should be equal to this is V2, no?
Yes, sir. Zero velocity there.
So this is only condition, no? If this is
Yes,
not there, only this cannot have, no?
cannot have. Cannot have, sir.
That means if this is not there, this cannot be counterbalance. That cannot be zero, no?
Yes, sir. Cannot be
Understood
zero.
this?
Understood, sir. And yes,
Anyhow, till here you followed, no? Now come back to this question of projectile. What I have, you noted down the question, no?
not
Yes, sir.
not
Answer got, sir. R by 1 minus k square.
Very good. See, what is it is projected here now from the surface.
yes, sir.
Sir, fired vertically upward, sir. It is not projected.
See, here you have at a height h, kinetic energy is zero. V at this point now. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Minus GM by R square. So,
Do you agree with this?
agree, sir.
Now substitute this V square equals Do you agree with this?
All multiplied by 2 will come now, sir.
Hello?
All multiplied by 2 will come now, sir.
What is that you are saying? Do you agree till here? What is given man?
Given
V
velocity.
equals kV, you know.
Yes, sir.
AU. Yes, sir.
Forward.
What is escape
Into
velocity?
root.
2gm by r now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Substitute that here. You will get H value you will get. Once you get H, he is asking velocity which will rise measured from the center. So from center,
R plus.
how much C?
Yes, sir.
Got this? How much you are getting, man?
Yes, sir. 1 minute, sir. Please.
Hello, you got that?
Got, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Hello, you got this?
Yes, yes, sir. Got this. Got this. Got the question, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Sir,
Tell me.
sir, I am getting k square r divided by 1 minus k square. Sir.
Which one?
K square r by 1 minus k square. I get.
This one, this H plus R.
No, sir, H.
No, H plus R is this one, no? Hello? Hello, you got this one, no?
Yes, sir. Got the same one. Sir, it is saying to prove, sir. Same result. Prove the result.
Pardon?
The question is saying to prove the result, sir. This is
Mm-hmm.
correct method.
The next one, shall we start the discussion? You can do it easily.
Yes, sir. Complete.
Shall I start the discussion?
Yes, sir. Complete.
What is escape velocity, man?
Root over
Root
2 cm by r.
under root of QPR. QDL by R.
No, you know what is G?
GM by R square. QDR.
Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
Now the speed of the rocket that is nothing but which is greater?
For the less with the gravitational force.
No, he is asking velocity in interstellar space, no?
Yes,
So on surface it has
root for the
plus m into v on the surface. Interstellar space, the potential energy is 0. This is half m v dash square.
yes, sir.
V dash is
Velocity in interstellar space.
agreed.
Yes, sir.
Find out v dash.
Yes.
Got this?
Sir, doing so. 1 minute.
Not getting this?
Got,
It,
sir.
it is.
Be active, man.
Sir, we are active, sir.
We're taking hours together. Right. Hello, you got this? No.
Go. Sir, got the answer, sir.
Go, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir. Completed.
So here, so this is the planet. This is the satellite. Say suppose this has V naught. Understood this?
Yes, sir. Orbital velocity.
Radius smaller.
Yes,
Okay.
sir. Ah. Yes,
Then
sir.
you know that agreed.
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Do you agree with this or not?
Agree, sir. R plus H. Yeah. Yes. Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
So this is what we call it as the orbital speed.
Yes, sir. Obviously.
Agreed.
Sir, agree, sir. Agree, sir.
So orbital velocity is basically equal to gm by r. R is any doubt is there till here? Now you
No.
can see orbital velocity is independent of mass of the orbiting body. Agreed?
Yes, sir. Independent.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
Any doubt is there?
Sir, no, sir. No doubt.
Height is very small. Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir. Agree, sir.
equal to the radius of body.
So do you agree with this?
Agree, sir.
Yes, sir.
Kilometers. Now this comes. So if you do that, nearly you will get this. This is for Earth.
Yes, sir.
That means if any satellite has to orbit the Earth, it must be having this much velocity. Agreed?
Agree, sir. Sir, is this maximum orbital velocity, sir?
Pardon?
So, is this maximum possible orbital velocity, sir? Means,
Maximum possible man. If the
means,
speed is more than that, automatically radius should also change, no? To
ah,
orbit, to move in that orbit, it must have this one.
yes, sir, yes, sir. Understood, sir. Clear.
See, in circular motion, we learn, no? If speed increases, automatically radius should change, no?
Yes,
For
sir,
the
yes, sir.
same centripetal force.
Yes, sir. Remember, sir. Remember. Inclined means banking of road.
Hmm.
Remember, sir. In that case.
Shall I turn this?
Mm. So 1 minute, sir, please. 1 minute.
The central body here is Earth, sir.
Pardon?
Your central body is Earth.
Around which it is rotating, that moving, that is only central body. Around which body the body is rotating. See, you know that the intermediate people have to write one exam at home.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
It's like
It's an environment.
Hmm.
EVS exam. Yeah. Like
You can understand the sanctity of the board of intermediate. Writing exam at home and posting the script, it seems. Those marks are not counted, you know that, no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Then why should we write that exam for it not counted?
Pardon? Hello?
Then why should we write that exam, sir, if the marks are not counted?
No, they'll be keeping in that mark list pass or fail, that's all. I'll tell you the story behind. There's one education mafia developed in our country, like corporate hospital mafia. You know, corporate office hospital, if you go, any hospital, corporate, you know, no?
Yes, sir.
Yesoda, Apollo, you go, they'll first give you a form to fill the details. In that, seeing your job or their insurance is there or not, seeing your richness, they'll try to extract the money. Even if they need or not, they'll push you into that. Because my students are there as doctors now. Suppose one patient returns back, the concerned doctor will get a phone. Who calls him? One idiot MBA fellow, marketing fellow will call. Why did you leave that patient? What are the reasons for you to send him back? Like that, they'll ask. They'll squeeze money. There is a target every month. They should reach so much. So they'll give diagnostic tests, operations, many things they do. But we
Yes, sir.
cannot escape that. We can't escape because it's a health issue. We have no other alternative.
We cannot
Education also
compromise.
in Telugu states, in North Resonance, Ellen is mostly a mafia. Resonance little bit better. Akash, all these people, Baijus, these are all for money minded, no? They pay lot of money to the government. For example, intermediate board is there. Chaitanya Narayana pays lot of money. What for me, they brought this examination first year. This environmental science or something is there, no? Now, COVID time is there, that's why they couldn't do anything. If COVID is not there, that exam will be conducted in the college. For that, one hall ticket will be given. So, unless you clear the fee dues, we won't give the hall ticket, they'll say. So, Chaitanya Narayana gets 100% fee collection for that. And they collect some money for project work, 500 or 1000. 2.5 lakh student into 1000 rupees, you can see, imagine the amount it grows. So
Yes, sir.
in second year they have another tool called labs. You clear the due, same. Again, that exams also will be in the February. You clear the fee dues and they'll take some 500 rupees for lab. This is a mafia. So you and me cannot change. Only thing is be aware of that. What is better for your future? The concentrate on that. Because I tried to change, I fought with people. Okay, I came out of that college also because of these issues only. I fought directly with the chairman of Chaitanya because I was a coordinator then. No use because money is everything in this world. Only thing is don't think too much about boards. This is how IP board is controlled by Chaitanya Narayana. CBSE is controlled by Ellen and all. What Ramesh Pokra, education minister, has, so you can see that you have the photos of SN Maheshwari, the owner of Ellen, along with our education minister. They meet quite often, all decisions. So money mind, so nothing is there. See how government is squeezing four mains examination. How much money they're getting four times fee means?
Yes, sir.
Imagine. They're squeezing money, man. Don't get trapped into that. Poor parents are suffering. Middle class people, lower middle class are suffering. Okay, they take money. If they return back something, well and good. Unnecessarily, they're creating something. They're squeezing money. No? For example,
Yes, sir.
medicine is there, man. Entrance is there. You take money. Genuinely, you take. You want, you take 10 lakhs per head. Train them properly. And, at least ensure that they get a seat. Nothing. Even syllabus also hypothetically they complete. See, one IP lecture will start for fluids and all. See how it will be completed. Every college has this set. What we can. I was telling from day one, don't bother IPMAs. At least SL40 don't have IP. SL41 on section is there.
Yes,
You're
sir.
aware of that?
No, sir.
Yes,
We know about this.
SL41 means not through entrance. Anybody can join. The general day scholars payment fee. They are having IP right from November only. They started IP. So, moral of the story is attend the classes, do the assignment, get a seat, enjoy your life. That's all. Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
We will do it.
See here, close to the surface of Earth, what you have? Orbit velocity is how much, man? And what is escape velocity actually?
So 2 gm by r under root.
okay.
That means this can be written as V by root 2, no?
Yes,
Do you
sir.
agree with this or not? Hello?
Yes, agree, sir.
Do you agree with this? So,
Yes, sir.
then what happened?
Yes, hit the ground.
Understood this?
Yes, sir.
Or the other way? The same statement will pull like that. Initial KE, what is the final KE?
VE, sir. VE. Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. VE.
2 times initial K, no? What will happen? How much? Root 2 V naught, no? Hence, cyclate will escape or not?
Yes.
Excuse me, sir.
Shall I
Can
turn
you
this?
tell the previous page one?
Have you followed this? 1 second, I'll turn. Note down
Follow.
this.
Noted, sir.
Somebody asked for this. Take this. Finished, man? Hello.
Sir,
Yes, sir. Complete.
Come back to this. The same thing I'll put like this. Initial velocity is how much? Initial velocity. What is the final velocity? So, what is the percentage? That means if velocity is increased by 41.4%, what will happen?
So, if the body
The
will
body will
escape.
escape from the gravitational
Hmm.
pull of the planet.
Any doubt is there?
No doubt, sir. Yeah.
Shall I turn this?
Yes. Yes, sir. Completed, sir.
That means an orbiting, if the speed got this?
Yes, sir. Understood, sir.
Next, time period. This just now we discussed all this.
Yes, sir. Just before.
What is time period, man?
So 2 pi by omega means time for one rotation.
You agree with this or not?
Agree, sir.
Understood this?
Understood, sir.
So you can see that time period agreed.
Agreed, sir.
Shall I turn this?
So 1 minute, sir, please.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Hmm?
1 minute, sir. 1 minute.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Shall I turn this?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here you have T is how much you got?
2 pi smaller I. Yes, sir. G. Yes, sir.
Agreed.
Agreed, sir.
So this is nothing but Kepler's law, no? Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
See,
Agree.
actually, because in reality, what Kepler said is the planets will be moving in elliptical orbit with the sun at one of the focus. There are two foci now. For an ellipse, how many foci are there? Two foci. This
Yes,
is
sir.
focus 1, this is 2. Agreed? So the sun will be either here or here. It will be rotating like this, every planet. Okay. Now you can see that this has two axes. One is, this is called the major axis. What is this called? Major axis. What is this called? Minor
Minor.
axis. So this is the length of the major axis. And this is the length of minor axis. Agreed?
Agreed, sir.
So you have, he says that semi-major means this, no? This is called as semi-major axis, length of semi-major axis. Okay? Understood this?
Understood, sir.
Is it clear?
Clear, sir.
So I can say that square of Shall I turn this?
1 minute.
1 minute, please.
Done, sir.
Completed?
Yes, sir.
1 minute, please. 1 minute.
Completed, sir.
Finished?
1 minute, sir.
Yes,
1
sir.
second
Completed.
equal to 1/2.
This is only law of periods. Shall I turn this?
1 minute, sir.
Yes, sir. Understood.
Completed?
Yes, sir. Completed.
Yes, sir. Sir, completed.
5 more minutes we can go, wait. So here, if satellite is revolving what is the time period you have already derived this?
2 pi r by r into root r by g.
the root of r cube by gm.
Remember,
Yes, sir.
Do you agree with this?
Yes, sir.
You have maths class now today?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
12,
What time?
Timing is not
12:15, sir.
Hmm?
At 12:15 is math.
Okay, we'll continue tomorrow. Okay? Right.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Bye.
yes.